Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome download speed. Start by opening Google Chrome and typing this into the address bar. Search for parallel downloading and make sure it is enabled. Then click on Relaunch to apply the changes. Another method is to right-click on the Windows Start icon and select Run. Type in ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. Choose your connection type, click on it and go to Properties. Under IPPv4, click on Properties. Ensure that you use the following DNS server is checked. Enter this for the top line and this for the second line. Click OK to save the settings. Next, click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Then go to Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. Remove any unnecessary or suspicious extensions that may be slowing down your browser. Finally, open the search bar and type cmd and run it as administrator. Click Yes, then type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After doing this, restart your computer to see an increase in your Google Chrome download speed. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.